The Directorate of Fisheries, Manipur, has inaugurated a comprehensive river ranching program aimed at revitalizing fish stocks across the state's 12 major rivers. This initiative, sponsored by the National Fisheries Development Board and FDB under the PMMSY scheme, seeks to address declining fish populations and enhance the livelihoods of local fishers. The program began on July 20, 2024 with the release of Indian major crab species and indigenous fish like pengba, ngaton and kabak into the Imphal and Nambul rivers in Imphal East and Imphal West districts. On July 21, SS Olish, MLA of Chandal Assembly constituency, spearheaded the ranching efforts at Chakpi River, joined by district officials and tribal leaders. Further efforts on July 24 and 25 saw similar activities in Thoubal and Barak rivers and the Khuga River into the Chandpur district. To date, over 10 lakh fish fingerlings have been released. State Fisheries Director H. Balkrishna Singh outlined that the program aims to release approximately 30 lakh fingerlings by the end of July 2024, covering key rivers in Imphal East, Bishnupur, Thoubal, Kakching, Chandal and Tamenglong districts. This ambitious project is expected to significantly bolster fish populations and support local fisheries.